In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zebronics Motherboard drivers. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and head on over to zebronics.com. Now, once we're here, we want to go in and click onto support and click onto driver downloads. Now, we can do a search here. So depending what type of motherboard you got or you need, the driver, just go ahead and put it in here. So I'm just going to type in motherboard for this demonstration. Now you can see all the different type of drivers for motherboard. So say for example, I want to get the 810E. I want to go ahead and click on download. Now that's going to start downloading. Now depending how big it is, it's going to take only a few moments. So this is 64 megabytes. Now once it finishes download, we want to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so once it's finished downloading, we want to go ahead and extract the file. So I'm going to right click, extract all. Now I'm going to extract this into this folder here. Now once it's finishing extracting over, we can go ahead and open it up, and you can see this is all of our, or this motherboard driver inside of here.